In this video, we're going to walk through how to create filters so that way you can stay automatically organized. So I have a lot of emails that come in from Custom Ink. And so what I want to do is I want to create a filter for this email. So it's sometimes helpful to create a filter by an email you already have in your inbox. So I'm going to click these three dots right here, and I'm going to click filter messages like these. If you wanted to create a brand new filter, up here is where you can do that. So this little icon where it says show search options, I can write or search whatever, and then I can hit this create filter. So if I wanted to filter all emails from myself to a folder, I could hit this create folder and it would filter those. So let's go ahead and walk through how to do it for this email. So again, if you have an email, the reason it's going to be easy is because it's going to already fill out some of these areas in this search box. Then I'm going to click create filter. Once I do that, I can decide what I want to do. Do I want it to skip my inbox? So it would just go right to the archive. Do I want to mark it as read? It automatically shows that the message has been read. Maybe you want to star it. This person is super important and you want all of their emails to be starred. My favorite is the ability to create or add it to a label. So I want to go in here, create a new label, and I'm going to call this custom ink. And I'm going to hit create. You might already have a folder created that you could add this right into. Maybe you want to forward it. Maybe you have another email that you want to forward this email to. Maybe you just want to delete it. You never want to see it again, or maybe you want to send it to spam. You can also have it send a template. So if you set up your templates, you can have it automatically send like an away message to that person. Maybe you want to mark it as an important email or never mark it as important. You can also add it to a certain category. And then I also click this one. It will filter any old messages that are not under this filter by that email address. So I'm going to hit create filter, and it's going to create all of those emails and go directly to that filter. So again, I can create a filter here or by opening up an email, three dots, filter messages like this, and then you can kind of decide how you want it to filter that message for you. So I like my messages to go right to a folder. I prefer to open it to know that I've read it and I've kind of taken care of it because I like that control. But you're able to kind of think through what you want and what you need. If at any time you need to change your filter, you'll go into this gear where it says settings, see all settings, and then up here at the top is filters. And you can edit or delete any of them at any time, depending on what you need or what you're looking for. You can see here I have one that's, if it says unsubscribe in the email, it's going to go to my newsletter folder. If I have one that's for Google Calendar, so anytime I get a Google Calendar, it goes automatically to this folder. So again, it can be really helpful to begin to filter because then you can just archive your messages and it goes straight to that folder because you have that filter set up. So go ahead, give it a try.